Sean, right now, you and I are working from home and we are doing our job. A part of our job right now is keeping non emergencies out of our emergency rooms and hospitals so that there is enough room for people experiencing the pandemic. Our
Absolutely.
next guest is here to talk about that subject.
Absolutely. Her name's Bianca Vallejo. She's the owner and dentist over at Green Valley Smiles. She joins us now with more. How are you, Bianca? It's great to have you.
Thank you for
Hi.
having me. This is a
So,
fun setup.
yes, yeah, yeah, fun setup. That's a good way to put what's going on right now. It's a little crazy, but we'll accept it. So let's talk about this right now. I know at Green Valley Smiles, you are open for emergency dental procedures. Having lost my tooth as a young kid, and if all the dental places are closed, where are you going to go? Well, you're going to go to the emergency room. But if they're trying to keep you away for that essentially not super big emergency situation, where do you go? And that's where you come in. You're stepping up your game for this COVID-19 time.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, global pandemics are not stopping people from having dental emergencies. And so that's why I'm here today. I want to urge everyone, if you're having a dental emergency, please do not go to the ER. Like JJ was saying, the hospitals are overstaffed right now, or are overflowing with patients who are dealing with COVID-19, and we want to keep our community safe. And so myself, and as well as other dentists all across the valley, we are open to provide these emergency dental procedures for patients.
Well, we appreciate right now that you're kind of trying to spread awareness amongst your colleagues around the valley as well. What has the patient experience for you been like? What Nevada's been kind of in the stay at home phase for about 2 weeks now.
Well, I'm sure you already know the dentist is not many people's favorite place to go. And so if patients are calling, trying to come in, you know that it's definitely an emergency. And so patients have been so grateful this entire period that we've been open, especially because so many places are closed. And, you know, if you've ever had a toothache, you know that you can't concentrate on anything else. And they're calling and they're just so grateful that we're open and able to provide definitive dental services. Because if patients go to the ER, oftentimes those doctors are just going to refer them back to the dentist anyway because they can't provide any definitive dental treatment.
Exactly.
So, yeah, I'm
Yeah.
happy that we can help do our part.
And essentially by going there, then you possibly put yourself at risk for this COVID-19. Of course, there's a lot of people that'll be going for the emergency room for just that. How are you, though, at your practice, following the CDC guidelines to help keep it as clean and as safe as possible for the people that walk through your doors?
Well, we are constantly up to date with the latest CDC guidelines. I mean, us in the dental field, we are already well equipped to handle dental infections or any infections and diseases that patients may carry when they come through the door. So we're a very spotless facility. Patients come in and they're like, I feel safer coming to the dentist than I do going to the grocery store. We have all the highest level masks, gloves, gowns, everything that we need. And right now, we're even taking additional protocols to keep our patients safe. We provide an extensive medical history. We triage patients over the phone before they even come in. We take their temperatures. We're having patients waiting in the car, and then we're bringing them straight into the room so that there's not really a lot of interaction with anyone else. It's a very personalized experience for the patients because safety is our main goal.
No question.
Yeah, that's interesting. I see here that you actually want to give a message to the Las Vegas community. What are your thoughts at this time?
I'm so grateful for the whole community coming together. I'm so thankful for our hospitals, our doctors, our nurses, the medical staff that's keeping our community safe. And so really, I just want to urge everyone, if you're having a dental emergency, please call your dentist. We're here for you. A lot of people are, again, I know in my practice, we've just launched teledentistry, and so we can, just like this, video chat and just help triage and help give patients peace of mind during this crisis. But again, we really just, us dentists and in the Valley, we're here to help support our community and help any way as possible and help alleviate the burden on those frontliners.
No question, and it's great work that you're doing. The teledentistry, I should get in on one of those and finally figure out how my water pick works. You could just help me.
Okay. I'm available for that. You can book an appointment for that. No, it's amazing. Of course, rains, it pours. Sometimes patients are like, I didn't realize, this tooth would start flaring up on me right now. And of course, now it's great that we can help patients in this
Technology,
time.
say 100 years ago with the Spanish influenza, technology was not there, and when you
Ooh.
were staying at home, it was going to be a long ride, and things are way different. And we're very fortunate to have the technology that we have right now to be able to get the care that we need. It is great having you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks, guys. Thanks for having me, and stay safe. And thank you for letting me share this important message with everyone.
And if you want to see this segment again, go to our website, lasvegasmorningblend.com.